The nature of health. Metaphysically, good health is the entirety of body, mind, soul, and spirit which encourages growth and evolution. Nature of health is a critical part of the entire process of healing and staying well. It is a dynamic that is always changing, always moving and expanding. Therefore, the health is a dynamic, integrative process with 7 definable active components. These components are ongoing focus on learning with fun while creating success, acquiring substance of life, freedom, gift, act, and joy. Third one is motivation to acquire substance. Fourth one is generating awareness with enthusiasm and vitalism. Fifth is new motivation, spiritual aliveness to accomplish dreams and vision. Sixth one is a new substance of life to have new freedom, choices and decisions. And finally, new focus of knowing and taking responsibility for consciously creating and co-creating reality. As per yoga, there are 5 koshas of human being. First one is the physical body. Second one is the life energy body. Third one is mental body. Fourth one is etheric body. And fifth one is the blissful body. Etheric body has 9 chakras. 7 chakras are aligned with the physical body, 8th is auric, and 9th is etherium. Blissful body has 3 layers, truer self, soul and spirit, and higher self or higher consciousness.